Hi guys, we are going to unbox this Workstation Pro version 2.0. By the way, my name is KR. Welcome to my channel. And on my previous video, I told you that I'm going to show all the tools that I'm going to use in my Mechanicore build. So before, I was only using a plastic container to catch all the dirts, dust, and nubs when I'm cutting parts of a model kit. And I think when you get this will really help you a lot when cleaning up your station, when there's a container that's going to catch all the dirts, and it is also safe to your parts that you're cutting in your runner. When you slip it in your hand, it will catch the parts. So right now in the unboxing, we can see that there's a main light and also a magnifying glass. In that magnifying glass, it also has a light that attached on it. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated on my Mechanicore build videos. Thank you. Also includes a cord, those two nipper holders. We also have a cap for the side of the main board. So that's the main board. It has a manual. It shows how to set up your workstation. You can flip the upper part of it, and it has a metal stick that you will put inside your board. So that's the magnifying glass that you can attach at the side. It's a USB connector at it. That is the board that will catch the dirt nubs when building your model kit. To attach the main light on the other side of the board, you can just position your magnifying glass and your main light. Attach the nipper holder at the side of the board. That's what it looks like when placing a nipper holder. When you were working on your model kit, you can easily grab the nipper holder and cut the parts from the runner. The cord just connected at the back. Just a reminder that you need to charge first your Workstation Pro version 2.0 in order for you to turn on the lights. This is a great tool to organize your equipment in building a Mechanicore kit where you can place all your tools on the right place and organize your setup. You can prepare yourself to all the things that you are going to work on your kit. I hope you learned something today and always take care.